All right, so for this question, it says the singer's newly announced concert on social media received 600 mentions after the first week of its announcement. The total number of mentions increases by half every week. Okay, so then the question is, based on this information, how many weeks since the concert was announced will be the total number of mentions? So I think our total, well, they want it to increase to 4,556. I have a bad habit of like reading it but not saying it out loud. But anyways, if it increases by half, that means that it's increasing by 50%. But it's also got the original 100%, which is the same as saying 1 plus 0.50, right? Because we got to write the percentage as a decimal, which is really 1.5. So this is known as our common ratio. So then my first number is 600. All right. And then I'm going to take that, and the next term will be multiplied. It'll be 600 multiplied by 1.5. So let's clear this out, and I'm going to say 600. In other words, I'm going to take half of that, which is 300, and add it to 600, which if I multiply 600 by 1.5, I get 900. Then if I take 900 and I multiply that by 1.5 again, half of that is, it should be 1350 because 450 is half of 900. And then if I do that again, I've got 2025. If I do that again, I get 3037.5. And if I do that again, I get the number 4,556. So I'm going to write these down real quick. It's 900, 1350, 2025, 3,000. What was that? 3,037.5. 3,037.5. And then I think that was, yeah, then the next one is 4,556.25. So then the question is, how many weeks since the concert? Well, remember that to get these numbers, I multiply by 1.5, and then I multiply by 1.5 times 1.5 times 1.5 times 1.5 times 1.5 times 1.5. So how many weeks did it take us? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 weeks. To reach 4,000. This is approximately 4,556. So the question again, just let me make sure I'm answering the question correctly. It says, after how many weeks since the concert was announced? So the first week it was 600, but how many weeks after that? Since Well, it was 5 weeks. In other words, we had to multiply 1.5 for every week after that to get to our number of 4,556, or approximately. Okay?